Today we're going to make a big mouth fish puppet. You will need for this craft some paper, just regular paper will do, a pencil and eraser, a handy black marker, some scissors, and some coloring utensils. First, we're going to cut our paper in half. This step is optional. If you want to make a really big fish, you can use the full sheet. Now we're going to draw our fish. Be sure when we're drawing to line up where the fish mouth lines end. So when we fold our paper closed, it will line up. See, as you can see, there's the start of my mouth, and it lines up with where my tail is going to end. I'm going to draw an eye. You can draw a nose. You can make your fish look angry. Maybe your fish doesn't have eyes. It's all up to you. Next, we're going to draw our open mouth. This part can be hard. If you want to make it precise, you can use a ruler. This way, you'll know your mouth lines up. I'm just going to freestyle it here, so it might not be perfect, but that's okay too. Now I'm going to draw my tail all the way down to the other side of the paper. Again, a ruler can make the lines more precise. Once you have the basic shape of your fish, you can begin to add more details. You can add teeth, you can add fins, you can add other designs. Maybe you want to add scales or gills or stripes, spots. Really go wild. Once you are finished drawing your fish, outline it in the marker. This way your lines will show up better. Of course, this step is always optional. Once you've finished outlining your fish, you can erase any visible pencil marks. Of course, if you didn't outline your fish, you can just skip this step. Now it's time to color your fish. I'm going to use some crayons to color mine, but you can use markers or paints, whatever you like. Again, whatever colors you use are up to your imagination. Maybe you have pet fish at home. You can always go and draw them and color them up. When you're coloring, feel free to add other details like bubbles or something your fish could be eating. To fold your fish, first we will fold along the top part of the fish's open mouth. Next, we will line the top of our fish's mouth with the bottom and press to fold flat. And that is it. You're finished.